Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get media upload on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and navigate to the Memories section. This is where you can access your saved snaps and your device's camera roll. Look for the Camera Roll tab to view all the photos and videos stored on your phone. Selecting an item here allows you to prepare it for sharing, making the process straightforward and quick for all users. Once in your camera roll, tap on the photo or video you wish to upload. You can select one or more items to create a multi-snap story. After selection, Snapchat's editing screen appears, offering various creative tools. You can trim videos, add fun stickers, draw, or apply filters to make your media stand out. Experiment with these options to give your uploads a unique touch before sharing them with friends. After editing, you'll see options to send your media. You can choose specific friends from your contact list or add it to your public story for all your followers to see. Consider who you want to share with. Private messages are great for one-on-one interactions, while your story reaches a broader audience. Double-check your selections to ensure your content goes exactly where you intend it to, making sharing seamless. For the best results, ensure your photos and videos are high resolution before uploading. Snapchat processes media efficiently, but starting with quality content helps. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. These tips will help you master media uploads and enhance your Snapchat experience, allowing you to share your moments effortlessly and creatively with everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.